Do you want to know how we visit beautiful places like Rome for less than £100? Then keep watching. Step 1 is to find your bargain flights, like these £13 flights return to Rome. You need to let the lowest prices decide where you're going. So go on Skyscanner, put in your departing airport that you'll go everywhere at any time, then have a look through the different countries and the cheapest prices. We're quite fancying Italy, so let's click there. That's going to bring up all the different places within Italy that we can go for cheap. And as you can see, there's a lot. So let's select Rome because that's where we want to go. Then all the dates are going to come up. You can scroll through there right through the year and the prices at the side. We only want 2 nights, so let's try these dates in May. And then all the flight times are going to come up and the prices. Find the flight times that work for you. These are great for us. A £13 return, bargain. Step 2 is to find a budget hotel, and as you can see up here, there's a hotel option, so click there. And that's going to search the hotels in that destination for those dates. Click up here to let them know how many people are travelling, how many rooms you want, then do the search. That is going to bring up so many options, it can be a little overwhelming, so I like to search using the map. I will find the landmarks that I want to see, so for example, see where the Colosseum is, I'll see where the train station is, because that's normally a cheap place to stay, and then I'll have a look for options around that area. Using this method, I was able to find this room for less than £70 per person for the 2 nights. So let's just call it £70 for the room, £13 for the flights, that's £83 for this amazing trip to Rome.